All right, guys, here we go. So I've just put in $300. So I got $300. I just put in. You do have to have a working bet. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to put the hard ways out there and have them rolling and have them working. And we're going to try to roll this thing out and see how we do. All right, here we go. So it's a Yo 11. So I'm going to do it again. We got here. It's going to be a 9. All right. Come on, let's go. So here, we're going to do this here. We're going to go across here. Of course, make sure all those are buys. Do this right here. Let's do a. Let's go and make $3 hard ways. All right, let's do it, dude. Here we go. What we got here? 10, hard 10. Check that out. Check us out. So I'm gonna press my hard way all the way up, right? So I'm gonna take it all the way to 20, and then I'm gonna just collect on my 10. Let's do a $3 inside pressure. What do we got here? Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what we got. And there's a 7. There is a 7. Not so bueno. All right, let's try this again. Here we go. I'm gonna do $1 on the hard ways. They're gonna be working. Okay. And here we go. No lucky shooter for me. I'm never lucky. All right, it's gonna be a 5. All right, so let's see here. We're gonna go do the same thing. I'm gonna go across. Those stay there. That's not what I want to do. There, there, and there. I'm not playing a pastime. What am I doing? That's not what I want to do. I'm wanting to go just do a buy. Let's do that again. Boom. I'm not playing a pass line. That's why I'm not moving any odds down here. And boom, we're ready to roll. Let's go. Oh, another hard 10. You know what? I did not press up my hard 10. But that's another one. Dang it. That's okay. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go up, make all of them 4. I'm going to press that up a little bit more because it just hit. And let's just collect on that 10. The first one, I'm going to collect it because I've had some bad runs with some bubble here lately. Oh, there's a hard 6. I'll take the freaking hard 6. Let's go. So I'm going to parlay that. So it pays me 36. So I'm going to call it, let's call it 35. And let's press up the inside. Boom. We got 188. We got 125 in action. Let's go. Started with $300. Where we at? There's a 5. Okay. All right, here we go. So we're going to do, oh, that is our, you know what? We're going to pull all this down because I do have to have the working bet. So all these, oh, not that. All this is going to come down. I'm going to go back to a $1 bet just so I have that working. And let's go. Now reset it all back up. All right, there's a 9. All right, so what do I do? I'm back at my original bankroll, right? So that one loss, that's good. So let's do this. Let's go back to, I don't want to press the roll. I want to go back to across and reset back up so I can get back started again from the loss. Right, here we go. We're ready to roll. Let's do it. There's a 3, crap 3. What did they say? See a horn, bet a horn. Let's go that. See a horn, bet it. Let's go. Hard 4. I'll take a hard 4, okay? All right, pays 28. I'm going to go up to 30. So I'm going to make that 30. I'm going to press up my inside a little bit here. Boom. I think we're ready to roll. Let's do it. What we got here? 415. We'll take it. Take it. See what happened with it. Last time the 5 came and 9 came. So let's do this. Let's make that 15. Let's press up our 9. Let's make that up. Press these up just a little bit more. And let's go. Come on. An 8. All right. We'll take it. We'll take that. So we lose our hard way. Let's go up to a $5 there. Let's press that up a little bit. Let's go ahead and press that up a little bit. Let's go ahead and make it oh, that's not what I meant. Let's make it 25. Let's just make it 25. Let's make that 25. And let's press that 10. Boom. Let's go. We got 213 total, 169 in action. Let's go. Come on. 3, crap 3. See a horn, bet a horn. Let's do that. Come on. What's another one? All right, it's a 5. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so what are we going to do? Let's make that 35, so that goes back up. let's do this. Let's press them all up. $3 each. And let's roll. 9. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, so let's see here. Let's that is our point. So, all right, so let's pull everything back down. Let's see where we stand. Ooh, check us out. We're up 155 bucks, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hard ways working. All right, there's a 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm up 150 bucks. So I'm just going to do a 160 spread, right? So all this going to go 160 spread. Make sure I do the 6 and 8. Oh, not that. Let's go back on that one. Boom. We're ready to roll. Oh, let's go ahead and press up. Let's do some hard ways a little bit too there. All right. So I got a little more than I wanted there. But that's all right. Let's just go with it. There's a 5. All right. We'll take it. We'll take that for sure. So let's go. Let's make it 35. And let's press up. Let's leave it. Let's leave it. Here we go. There's an 8. We got a roll. We got a shooter, guys. Got a shooter. We'll take that. Let's just go up. Oh, let's go up a little bit. It doesn't have to be proper. Let's put the 5 there. I'm in profit. So I got 313 there. I got 213. So I'm 200 bucks up. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go one more roll. Yeah, that's the last. Is that the craps versus last thing? One more roll, right? One more roll. Let's see what it says. Oh, it is an 8. That's beautiful. Okay. Here's where we got to get disciplined, right? Look at all these rolls, okay? Look at all these rolls. Here's where I got to get disciplined. We're going to pull all this back down. So clear everything there. And so I'm up. Dang it, I'm up 250 bucks. Let's do this. Let's go across. We're regressing it all the way back down. Why? Because I don't trust that machine right there. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. Hard 8, check us out. I'm going to parlay that hard 8. Okay, if you know anything about me, I love the parlay. It's a 5. It pays me 45. I'm going to make it 50. And let's just go ahead and press that all the way up. Let's go. Hard 8, hard 8. Aces. Aces. That's a horn. All right, let's do it. Let's call the horn bet. Dude, let's go. What do we got? Look at this roll, man. Check us out. All right, so that's a 5. We lose our horn bet. We're going to go up to 20. Because I regress back down, I'm still up really, really nice. I'm just going to roll this thing out. Let's go. 9. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So that's going to pay us here. That is our point. I'm going to regress everything back down. Again, I'm doing this because I want to be able to work my hard ways. All bets on, and I don't want to play a pass line. That's why. There's a 9. Check us out on this roll. We got a hot roll over here. We've got a hot roll. Oh my gosh! All right, so I'm up, guys. I'm up 350 bucks. So what am I gonna do? I'm up 350.
Okay, here comes Justice Jed.
Oh gosh!
Him.
Oh, don't jinx me.
No, it's gonna be right
Don't
back.
jinx me,
R10,
please.
baby.
Don't jinx
R10.
me, please.
It should be 5 bets, my dog.
I know. I got to get there. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. You know what? You're messing me up. I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
No, I'm giving you.
Okay. Yeah.
Here we go.
All right. Here we go.
R10.
Nope. I got to go.
That's it. R10.
Boom. Let's go.
R10.
Oh
my God. You did jinx it.
She jinxed me. I had somebody come over here. Look at this roll. Look at this roll, and I got jinxed. My gosh, that's okay. I'm up 170 bucks. I will take that. I'm gonna print the ticket, cash out. Yes. Why? Because I don't trust bubble craps. So I put in 300. I got 470. I'll take 170 buck profit, guys. All right. If you enjoy this content, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, all that fun stuff below, and tell Jen what you think it's worth whenever she comes in there and jinxes my great roll I had here. All right, guys. Till next time. Mark the point. Stay awesome.